Hello and welcome to our new math session. Today is gonna be a percentage review part 2, the second part of the percentage series. So guys, I will start with the classwork this session. I just need you to just pause the video for just 7 minutes to solve these three questions and then come back to me. Okay, so let's start. Question number 7. Work out these quantities. So here, question number 7, it has a 60% of 750 kilograms. So 60%, as we know that it's going to be 60 over 100, or you can change it into decimal form, so it's going to be 0.6 and multiplied by 750. This is the amount that he wants me to get the 60% of it. So here in this way, I solve it with the fraction method. So I would just divide 750 by 100. So it's going to be equal to 750 divided by 100. I will just move the decimal point 2 steps to the left. So it's going to be 7.5. And then I'm taking the 7.5 multiplied by the numerator, which is 60. So it means 75 times 6. Or multiply normally without the decimal point and move the decimal point 1 step to the left. So 7.5 times 60 is going to be equal to 450 kilograms. And this is the 60% of 750. Okay, question number B. 15% of 40 centimeters, so it means 15 over 100 times 40 centimeters. So it's the same thing again. I'm just dividing this 40 by 100 and it's going to be equal to 1, 2, so it's going to be equal to 0.4. And take this 0.4 multiplied by the numerator, which is 15. So 0.4 times 15, 4 times 15 is going to be equal to 60, and move the decimal point 1 step to the left. So it's going to be 6.0 or 6 and 6 centimeters. Okay, question number C, I just tried to solve it in another method. It's the decimal form. So 0.3, which is 30%, I'll multiply it by 1.5. So multiply normally, and after you finish, you just move the decimal point 2 steps to the left because I moved here 1, and then here 1, I moved 1 step. So 1 and 1, it's equal 2 steps to the left. So 3 times 15 is going to be equal to 45, and moving the decimal point 2 steps to the left, so it's going to be 0.45 liters. And don't forget the units, please. Okay, question number D, 99% of 17 pounds. So I just changed it into decimal form, so it's going to be 0.99 times 17 pounds. So I will just multiply 99 times 17, or I can tell you mental method. I can multiply 100 times 17, so it's going to be 1,700, and remove 117 from it. So 1,700 removed from it 17 is going to be 1,683, and move the decimal point 2 steps to the left, so it's going to be equal to 16.83 pounds. And this is for question number 7. Question number 8 here is saying work out these percentages of 7.5 kilograms. So I need to calculate 12% of 7.5 kilograms. So 12%, it means 12 over 100 times 7.5. So here 7.5 divided by 100, it's going to be equal to 0.075. And multiply that by 12, so it's going to be equal to 0.9, 0.9 kilograms. Okay, question number B, 72% of 7.5 kilograms. So 72%, it means 72 over 100. I change it into fraction form and multiply that by 7.5 kilograms. I will just divide that here as I did in the previous question. I will divide it by 100. It's going to be 0.075 and then multiply it by 72. And the answer is going to be equal to 5.4 kilograms. And you can calculate that by ignoring the decimal point and multiplying normally, and after that get back the decimal point here in the answer again. Question number C, I just changed it into decimal form, so 0.92 multiplied by 7.5. So if you calculate that, the answer is going to be 6.9 kilograms. And the last question number 2, question number D, it's 2%. It means 0.02 times 7.5, so it's going to be equal to 0.15 kilograms. Okay, kind of easy. Question number 9, it's a little bit needs focus. This pie chart shows the proportion of people in the crowd at a hockey game. The percentage of the crowd who are men is 25%. Here, this men in blue, it's 25%. The question here is saying estimate to the nearest 10%, the percentage of the crowd that are women. Where is women here? Women here in this color. So what's that? It's not 30% because 30% is going to be a little bigger than the men because men are 25%. So 30% maybe it's here. Okay, and it's not, of course, 50% because 50% it means half of the circle. So here it's not 30 and it's not 50, and he needs me to estimate to the nearest 10%. So actually it's 40%. So the nearest to the nearest 10%, the percentage of the crowd are women, it's 40%. Question number B, there are 2,300 people in the crowd. Estimate the number of women. So there are 2,300 people and 40% of them are women. Like I will multiply for 40% times 2,300 and change this 40% into decimal or fraction, whatever you want, and you just calculate that. So I made it into fraction and multiplied by 2,300, and I divided 2,300 by 100. It's going to be equal to 23, and after that multiplied by 40, so the answer is going to be 920 women. Okay, so it's very easy to. Okay, let's have another one. Arthur is given 417 pounds. He decides to donate 20% to charity. How much does he donate? It's the same thing. So the same everything here. Question number 11, it's going to be for 20%. That means 20 over 100 and then multiplied by 417. So it's going to be equal to 417 divided by 100. It's going to be equal to 4.17. Okay, so it's easy. And take this 4.17 multiplied by 20, so it's going to be equal to 83.4 pounds. So it means 83.40 pounds. Okay, this is the donation. But how much does he have left? So he had already 417. If he donated by 83.4, so the remainder, this word it means I will subtract. So 417 minus 83.4, so the answer is going to be equal to 333.6 pounds. Okay, question number 12. Max pays a bill of 726 pounds with a credit card. There is a charge of 2% for doing this. What is the charge in pounds? Okay, so the charge is 2% of this number. So the 2% of this number is what? 2% it means 0.02 or 2 over 100 and multiplied by 726. So here I will just move the decimal point 2 steps to the left. It's going to be 7.26. And then multiply this 7.26 by 2. So it's going to be equal to 14.52 pounds. This is the charge that the credit card will take. Okay, so question number B, what is the total amount he has to pay? So he has to pay already 726 as a bill and a charge of 14.52. So the total, it means I'm adding them together, 14.52 plus 726 pounds. So it's going to be equal to 740 pounds, 0.52 piasters. Okay, this is number B. Number C, it needs a little bit thinking. If Max pays a bill of N pounds, which of these expressions gives the credit card charge? The credit card charge, it's 2%. It's 2 over 100, or it means 0.02. And the bill is N, so I need to multiply to know the charge only, to multiply the 0.02 times the N. So where is 0.02 N? Here. So this is the answer, 0.02. So the correct expression is 0.02 N. Okay, so easy. So guys, this is the end of the session. Your homework is going to be the student's book page 231, question from number 13 to number 17. See you next time and have a nice day.